Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a walkthrough and review of the Bamboo Micro Savings Investment app. So this is a free to use app on iOS and Android. Get set up in under 60 seconds and start to get exposure to cryptocurrency as well as gold and silver. Now the way it works is regular purchases or roundups. So you might buy your coffee for $4 and it'll round up to whatever you set it to, the nearest dollar, for example, and that starts to build up a portfolio over time of whatever assets you set it to purchase, as well as the option to do regular buys. You might just want to buy a little bit each week. Now they're currently running a special for you guys, so type in code Nugget once you've registered for $10 free Bitcoin, as well as another $10 for every friend or family that you refer, up to a max of 10. So there's another $100 of Bitcoin up for grabs there as well. As you can see here, a little goes a long, long way. So this is Troy, one of our friends and one of the users who got to be a beta tester when it first came out back in March 2019, as you can see here. And all of a sudden, a couple of years later, that's gone a long way. And the performance, as you can see, 80% of that roughly is from the growth of those assets. You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, even gold and silver have done really well over that time. So those little few dollars, they do add up over time. And this is literally the whole idea of this micro savings app. So well done, Troy. Now, since 2018, they've gone through a few changes. There's a new team, new management. Blake has been appointed CEO for the time being. He's a friend of ours in our community as well. A number of new updates to the token model, which I'll talk about more in future because they do want to give that BAM token more utility, and the users that hold that will get extra features and special, privileges or extra rewards. So we'll talk about that more in future. The other question that we get a lot is all about the security process. So whenever you have an app in the crypto world that's asking you for, your credit card or your bank details, for example, people get pretty skeptical, and rightfully so. You got to be careful in the crypto world. But obviously with this app, if we're doing roundups to our purchases, we do have to connect our bank account. So this runs you through the security process, the third parties who they use and all the security there. So it is nice and safe to connect your bank account to this app. So it can do those roundups. Now I'm going to run you through a few of the screens here, what you're going to see as you get set up. So this is just the home screen to create an account. You're going to sign in, agree to those terms and conditions, type in your phone number. It's going to send you a verification code. Your phone might pick that up automatically, or you may have to type it in. You then want to choose an individual account or a self-managed super fund if that's what you want to set up. Type in your full name as it is legally on your ID documents, email address, set a nice strong password, and then connect your bank account as I spoke about before. Choose the bank, type in those details there, and that should all be good to go. So the next step is to choose how much you want to round up. So do you want to round up to the nearest dollar, $2, $5, or $10? And then choose the mix of assets that you want to buy. So do you just want to do the straight crypto portfolio, 50-50 Bitcoin and Ethereum? They've also got gold and silver, or you can customize it, which is what I did. So I've got 25% of each, Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold and silver. So once you're all set up there, you are good to go, and you can start to have a look on the home screen. This is where your purchases will show up, the things that are being rounded up each time you use your card, and this is where you can also set up those regular purchases. So this is what we call dollar cost averaging, and it's a great way for beginners to build a portfolio over time, because crypto is so volatile. A lot of people don't like to read the charts or try and time the market, so they just say, look, I just want to buy a little bit every week or fortnight or monthly. You can choose the amount, choose the day of the week, and that'll do it all automatically in the background for you. And it really is a case of set and forget, as you saw before with Troy. Hopefully that turns into a large amount over the years. Now it will set up a referral code for you. You can copy that, send the invites over SMS or social media to your friends and family and get them to sign up. But that's it, guys. Nice and easy to use. As I said before, sign up in under 60 seconds. The last thing I want to mention here is the future features. So The beauty of all these Ethereum tokens and DeFi that you've heard me talk a lot about is that it can be easily integrated into all these apps. So in future, I wouldn't be surprised to see those borrowing and lending, all the different financial little apps that we see being built out in the world of DeFi coming to apps like this. So I'm looking forward to what's going to come in future. I'll obviously cover that for you whenever they've got other updates or whatnot. But check it out, sign up, use that code to get some free Bitcoin. Sign up your friends and family for more Bitcoin there, and it is really enjoyable to use. One that I've used for over a year, and I know plenty of you guys have already. So I'll link all the information and extras down below, but I hope you've enjoyed that little tutorial and walkthrough, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Cheers.